Luxury living is more than just an ample home with opulent furnishing and a gated neighborhood. It's those meticulous details that bring it to a higher level. In this video, we'll be going over the top real estate trends in luxury living for 2024. Equipping your home with the latest technology is all the rage right now, and for good reason. Whether your focus is on security, convenience, or environmental, controlling factors around your home with a simple remote or tablet is becoming more and more accessible and desirable. Sustainable and eco-friendly homes and properties have become increasingly more common in the last few years, and a reduced carbon footprint is an enticing feat. Consider investing in locally sourced materials if you're planning on building a house or even updating your current one. Not only will it cut importing costs, but it also brings harmony to the surrounding nature and your abode. Incorporating solar panels or other renewable energy sources increases the value of your property and qualifies you for federal solar tax credit, saving you money in the long run. Additionally, solar panels are compatible with a wide variety of climates, property types, and locations, as well as giving you the power to keep the lights on no matter the disruption. An innovation in home building technology most wouldn't dare to dream of just 20 years ago, 3D home printing has become an efficient and eco-friendly option these days. Crafting your home using one of these printers can reduce waste and water use, and they require less manpower and can be built off-site. Water recycling, or water reuse, is the practice of converting wastewater, stormwater, agricultural runoff, or other water sources into a resource you can use. Whether you're forging an artificial pond or lake, irrigating land for agricultural purposes, or for a slew of other uses, this is a fantastic way to conserve this precious resource and live an eco-friendly life. Spaces for residents to focus on their mental and physical well-being have been rising steadily in popularity more and more. Be it pampering yourself to spa treatments or cooking up a pizza in your own personal brick oven, investing in amenities that elevate your home like such simply make life worth living. Home gyms, yoga studios, and swimming pools are popular home additions that prioritize health and wellness. Determine whether you wish to purchase a home with a completed home gym or adapt the space to suit your specific needs. Entertainment space is an important element for luxury living. A home theater and impressive audio system add an element of sophistication and comfort to residences, as well as increase the selling value. Thanks for watching. We're United Country Real Estate, your experts in all things rural properties. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks again, and stay tuned for our next video.